Part 2, Exercise 1. Listen to the recording about secondary education in the UK and choose the correct answer, A, B or C. Only choose your answers to questions 1 to 3 when you have heard the full recording, not before.
Here in the UK, there is a lot of controversy about the secondary school education system. Most people think students who go to private schools have considerable advantages over students who go to state schools. Well, let's examine the facts and see if that really is the case. The truth is, the figures don't lie, and they really do seem to suggest that private school kids do better than state school ones. For example, over 85% of private school students go on to study at university. Compare that with just 70% from state schools. But we also know some universities are said to be better than others. So who goes to the best ones? Well, around 2/3 of the private school students who go to university attend so-called top ones, but just a quarter of state school students do. And what about the top 2 universities in the country, Cambridge and Oxford? Well, 1 in 20 private school students go to Cambridge and Oxford, but the figure for state school students is just 1 in 100. Private school students clearly have a significant edge in terms of getting into university, but this is not the only place where they have an advantage. At school, of course, they are also much better off. Class sizes are smaller, sometimes by up to 20 students. Teaching is sometimes of a higher quality, and they enjoy more one-to-one attention. Facilities in private schools are better too, and not just educational ones, but sports also. That probably explains why private school students outperform state school ones in competitive sport, as well as in the classroom. And, according to a recent study, private school graduates will have earned on average £200,000 more than state school ones by the time they get to middle age. Sadly, in my opinion, there is no question over which schools are better. Private schools win hands down. As a parent, therefore, I must send them to private school if I can afford it. At least, that is my belief, and luckily I can and will. However, there are many parents out there who cannot afford school fees. What about their children? Is it right that they do not have the same level of opportunity according to the statistics? We are supposed to live in an equal society. In reality, I'd suggest we are anything but equal. Those who can afford it get a better education. Perhaps the only way to change this is to abolish private schools altogether. Let there be only one type of school for everyone. Then, to improve the level of opportunity for one student, we would have to do it for all. Sadly, this is unlikely to happen soon.